let me show you how we can disable TalkBack on Google Pixel 11. But actually, before I show you, it is worth mentioning how you navigate on this phone when TalkBack is activated, because once it is, the navigation on your phone is slightly altered. So essentially, if you have any gesture whatsoever, and this includes navigation, you have to use 2 fingers in order to perform a specific gesture. So the gesture itself doesn't really change. You still do it exactly the same way, but the difference is that instead of using just 1 finger, you have to use 2 fingers. This includes, for example, swiping to go back, swiping to go to the home screen, going to, for example, the app drawer, scrolling through the list, so also you need to use 2 fingers for that, or also, for example, going through pages on the home screen and stuff like that. At the same time, if you have any button or any selection, anything that you can select on your screen, so this includes the apps list, for example, options in the settings, or even buttons. If you use 3 buttons at the bottom of the screen, then of course they are counted in that case as well. In that specific case, you have to tap on that option first in order to highlight it, and then you need to double tap in order to confirm the selected option. So let's actually start from the home screen. I'm gonna also I'm gonna close all of these background apps. And how we can disable TalkBack. So first we need to open the settings. So I'm gonna use 2 fingers to open the app drawer, and then here just tap on the settings once, and then double tap. Now we're gonna scroll all the way down. So once again, use 2 fingers to scroll all the way down, tap on accessibility, and then double tap. Now we're gonna tap on the TalkBack, and then you can double tap. And now here in the TalkBack menu, we have use TalkBack, so we have to tap on it once to select it, and of course double tap anywhere on the screen to confirm. Now select the turn off option and double tap. And there we go, TalkBack is finally disabled. You can once again use all of your gestures the same way as you did before, and you can do the same thing with all of these different buttons and options. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.